Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will be making a crochet earring. I like to call it the nuts and beans earrings. For today's earrings, we will be requiring the following materials. Firstly, we need a yarn, any color of your choice. We require 2 beads. I have taken 2 wooden beads. A crochet hook, depends on the size, on the thickness of your yarn. 2 jump rings and 2 ear wires. We also require a round nose plier and a pair of scissors. So let's begin. We'll start with a slip knot. And then chain 5. Yarn over, pull through the loop. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now pick up the bead in the hook and pull the loop through the bead. Now join to the first chain with a slip stitch. Now it is better to hold the tail along with your work so that you can hide the tail easily. Now start with 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now, in all these 3, we'll hold them together and work 10 double crochet. Yarn over. Put the hook beneath all 3, yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we have completed 2 double crochet. We will be making 8 more. We have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 2 more. 9 and 10. So we have completed 10 double crochet. Now we will chain 3. And insert the hook into the same loop and make a slip knot, slip stitch. Again yarn over, pull through the same loop to fasten off. Pull the yarn and cut. Pull it tight to secure the knot. Now we will insert the hook from the opposite side to pull this tail and hide the tail in the work itself. Cut the extra yarn. Here also you have a small tail. You can cut it off. So our piece is ready. Now we will attach the jump ring and the ear wire. We'll pull open the jump ring and insert one ear wire. Now hold the jump ring with the round nose plier and insert it into the last 3 chain space. And close the jump ring. So here we have the earring completed. So friends, we have completed both the earrings, the nuts and the beans earring. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and share it with your friends. And also let me know in the comment section if you have any ideas for further videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.